been waiting 12 years for this. Going kind of slow, just to make sure everything's cool. Exciting.
Nothing breaks.